Hey there, and welcome to another edition of Lordco Shop Talk. Let's check out some products that might just make your life a little bit easier. My name is Nick, and today we're diving into a few of Seafoam's engine support products that are all about keeping your vehicle running smoother, longer, and more reliable. First up is the Pour and Spray Combo Pack. Seafoam says it's 2 steps to clean your entire fuel system. This pack comes with 2 products, the motor treatment and the engine cleaner and lube. The motor treatment is as simple as it gets. Pour this can into your fuel tank. Gas, diesel, old, new, even a vehicle that's been sitting all winter, it's safe for all of it. For the best results, add it when you're low on fuel so it mixes well with the fresh fuel. Then fill it up and drive like normal. That's really all there is to step 1. Step 2 is the spray. It's especially helpful for vehicles with gasoline direct injection. And this one's for people comfortable doing a little bit of light work under the hood. Start by warming up the engine, then spray it into the air intake while the car's idling. When you're finished, let it soak for a bit, then go for a drive to burn off the loosened deposits. Think of it as a refresh for your engine, clearing away the buildup that collects over time. Now, why bother? What does this actually do for you? Well, a few things. Better fuel economy. Clean injectors and valves will help restore lost fuel economy in your engine. You'll notice fewer stops at the pump, plus a stronger throttle response and more power. Now, have you ever noticed your car feeling a little sluggish, trying to merge, or maybe pass someone? Well, this combo helps restore the lost responsiveness. The car should feel peppier, smoother, and even more fun to drive. Now, this next benefit should really hit home for Canadians. You'll notice easier cold starts. There is nothing worse than freezing your fingers off trying to start the car in the cold that just won't turn over. This is because your intake valves and pistons are probably coated in varnish and deposits. With Seafoam, your car should fire up cleanly every time, even in the coldest mornings. These are just a few of the key benefits of Seafoam's Pour and Spray Combo Pack. Now, another product I want to highlight is Seafoam's Deep Creep. This one's sort of a jack of all trades. It's a pro-grade lubricant and penetrant that creeps into tight spots to loosen stuck parts, fight rust, and protect metal, plastic, and painted surfaces. It makes repairs easier by freeing stuck bolts, protecting battery terminals, and even keeping electrical connections corrosion-free. And it's not just for vehicles. Think squeaky door hinges, bike chains, or locks that refuse to budge. It's one of those products that ends up being way more useful than you initially expect. So, whether you're looking to keep your engine running more efficiently, save money at the pump, or just want to make life a little easier when it comes to maintenance, Seafoam's Pour and Spray Combo Pack is really something to look into. And if you want a go-to product that tackles stuck, rusty, and squeaky parts, check out Seafoam's Deep Creep. Thanks for watching Shop Talk. If you've got questions or need the right part for your vehicle, come see us at Lordco Auto Parts or visit us online. We'll see you next time, and until then, take care of your ride, and it'll take care of you.